wonder metal titanium is used in some of the most exceptional inventions, fastest aeroplanes, extraordinary buildings, expensive goods. All of these things make titanium an incredible metal. You won't believe that titanium also exists inside in our bodies, and it is 14th most abundant element there. Titanium also exists in many other organisms. Therefore, we can say that titanium is a biocompatible metal, and that's why it is used from head to toe biomedical implants. But you don't know that titanium can also be used for the treatment of cancer. Yes. Well, let's see how it can be possible. Titanium in our body exists in +4 oxidation state. In this oxidation state, it is most stable and has highest oxidation number. Also in this oxidation state, it shows similar ionic radius with iron 3, which already exists in our body. Okay, so due to these similarities, both of these ions, iron 3 and titanium 4, share some of their characteristics similarity with each other. And due to this similarity, now the protein which is actually initially iron bound now can also bind with titanium. Like an enzyme, a protein, ribonucleotide reductase, this enzyme performs a very specific function in our body. This enzyme catalyzes the conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides, and these deoxyribonucleotides are the building blocks of DNA, which is our basic requirement. But in cancer cells require high amount of DNA for their uncontrolled multiplication. So, if this titanium 4 interacts with that RNR enzyme, then this enzyme cannot perform its activity there. So how can it be possible? Let's see, I am RNR enzyme now and I have 2 iron ions. To perform the conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides, I need to first oxidize these iron ions, which are actually in +2 states. So I need to oxidize these iron ions from +2 to +3 states. And if I have titanium 4 in place of iron, then titanium 4 cannot, then to perform the same conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides, I also need to oxidize titanium, but it cannot oxidize because it is in its highest oxidation state. And therefore, I cannot catalyze the same reaction of the conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides, and therefore DNA synthesis will be stopped and cancer cells will die. Thank you.